Why do we need over-the-counter birth control pills? There are so many reasons. Getting your birth control pill over the counter means you can start and stop using them on your own, allowing you to use the birth control pill on your own terms. Getting the pill over the counter could also save you time and money since you don't have to see a doctor to get them. They are as safe as other medications that are sold over the counter. That's why the FDA approved them for over-the-counter use. The biggest medical associations, like the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, the American Medical Association, and the American Academy of Family Physicians agree that birth control pills should be available over the counter. Also, birth control pills have been available over the counter all over the world for decades. And most importantly, we know that people in the United States overwhelmingly support and want to have access to over-the-counter birth control pills. No, not yet. While one progestin-only pill, called O-pill, was approved for sale over the counter by the FDA, you can't actually go to the store and get it just yet. Now that it's been approved, the manufacturers have to get to work to place the pills on store shelves soon. And advocates are working to make sure that it is affordable and accessible for everyone. We don't know yet when it'll be available or exactly how much it'll cost, but you can follow @Bedsider on social for updates on over-the-counter pills and more. Are all birth control pills going to be available over the counter? Not yet. Right now, there's only one brand of birth control pill that's been approved for sale over the counter without a prescription. It's called O-pill, and it's a progestin-only birth control pill or mini pill. You take one pill every day, and it releases a small amount of progestin into your body to prevent pregnancy. O-pill doesn't have estrogen in it, so almost everyone can use it safely. There is another type and brand of birth control pill that contains estrogen and progestin that is going through the process to become available over the counter, but it may be another year or two before that happens. What are over-the-counter birth control pills? Over-the-counter birth control pills are the same as regular birth control pills. However, getting the birth control pill over the counter means you can buy it without talking to a healthcare provider or receiving a prescription. You can get the pill right off the shelf at the drugstore and other retail locations, likely next to the condoms and the lube. The only difference between getting the birth control pills over the counter and getting it with a prescription is how you get it. They work the same way. Whether you get the pill over the counter or with a prescription, it's a pill that you take once a day that works by releasing hormones to prevent pregnancy before it starts. The birth control pill is not an abortion pill and will not interrupt an ongoing pregnancy. It is also not emergency contraception. Birth control pills, emergency contraception, and abortion pills are all safe and effective, but they are different, and it's important to understand when and how to take each of them.